Interface. Becoming familiar with the Alta's simple interface doesn't take long. The default screen shows the time and, depending on your selected watch face, the date and your overall progress made toward your main goal. You can switch between steps, distance, calories burned, and active minutes as you're made through the Fitbit app. You can also toggle the order in which the different pages appear in the Alta's user interface. For instance, if you'd rather see how many miles or kilometers you've traveled, you can make that your main page. The interface of the Alta is generally used for checking in on things, not for making any adjustments. For that, you'll need your phone in the Fitbit app. Here, you can do things like adjust goals, check in on new challenges to take on and take a look at the remaining battery life. I'll dig into the app more on the next page. Smart Track empowers both you and the Fitbit Alta to leave your phone at home. Sure, it doesn't have GPS, but this automatic exercise detection feature can track workouts ranging in length from 10 to 90 minutes. It's adjustable, so you can push yourself to meet a minimum exercise duration before the Alta tracks the data.